See, that's what I thought. I thought they'd lock it. Yes. Fucking sick. They're smart about it. Can't reach. So close. Can you get under there? If you can fit your body through there, maybe. Might not be impossible. It's gonna be hard though. Oh, it's gonna be fucking tight, bro. I don't know if that's possible. I haven't even thought of that. Fuck's sake. Do you think you can get under there? I don't know. There's a camera there. What about via this? Oh shit, there's someone else out here. Another police van. Alright, safe, bro. Bang! Oh shit. It looks like you can't get to my spot on Broadmarsh anymore. They've destroyed it all. The bit that was connecting the two buildings together. Fucking sick up here. It's a good view of a Broadmarsh, isn't it? Not a single cloud in the sky. Directly above me anyway. Dry mango. Yeah?
Yeah, what are you doing there?
I was taking pictures.
How do you go there?
I went under the thing.
Yeah, just wait there, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I come in here?
Just wait there. How do you come? How do you unlock that one? How do you go there?
I went underneath.
Underneath?
Yeah.
You are the Nottingham College student?
No?
No?
I was just taking pictures.
Is he allowed to here take the picture
Yeah.
there in the balcony?
Yeah.
University allowed it?
Yeah.
Please, can you come to 6th floor? Do you have your ID, anything, any ID or your
No, I don't.
identity proof?
No, I don't.
So where you working? You just wait there. You just wait. You just wait there.
I'll get down for you.
Why you go there? It's not allowed to come to 6th floor. So why you go there?
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know I wasn't allowed. I'm sorry. I won't come again. I promise. I'm sorry. It was.
Do you have your ID?
No, I don't have any
Yeah,
identification.
you have to have ID. Can you show me your wallet or anything? You need to ID or you give me your details.
I'm sorry. I don't have anything with me.
Yeah, check your details. Yeah, I need your ID. Just wait. Just wait. Stop here. Just stop here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah, mate. I'm just. I wanna.
No. Just stop. I don't want to say anything. Just stop. Just wait. Just wait. Stop. Just stop. Stop.
That was funny. All right, let's hit another car park. Another sick view of Nottingham. Pretty close to the Ferris wheel as well, the town hall. Oh my days. The security guard was directly below me. Holy fucking shit. Cheers to the security. That was hilarious. He was literally here when I was climbing down there. I hope I caught that on camera. The security guard was so oblivious. Yes, that was so sick. Fucking hell. Amazing.